発のピョッというとみんなピストスとか不思議なそうですねどうしてくれでもね大丈夫き自分の形は
Today, reports emerged that over 100 Tibetans were beaten and arrested for protesting the construction of a dam that will destroy 6 monasteries and at least 2 villages in Kamdege.
Local sources said Chinese police officers used tasers, water cannons, and pepper spray to attack the peaceful protesters, sending many to the emergency room in the local Dege hospital.
This clip from a Chinese propaganda channel is the version of Tibet that China wants to show the world, a peacefully liberated Tibet full of smiling Tibetans.
But time and time again, courageous Tibetans, in the face of the most terrifying consequences, have shown the world what reality truly is under Chinese occupation.
This is a call to action.
Hundreds of Tibetans in Dege are risking their lives for the world's attention.
China is destroying Tibet's sacred environment to extract its resources and brutalizing the indigenous